Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Bold Words Daily. I hope you are doing great today. I am very happy to be here with you.
Hello everyone, it is nice to be here today. I hope everyone is ready for another simple and useful English conversation.
Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic.
Yes, today's topic is English conversation for real-life problems.
This is a very useful topic because everyone faces problems in daily life.
That is true. Sometimes we need to talk to people, ask for help, or explain our problems.
And today we will learn how to do that in simple English.
Exactly. We will talk like two friends having a normal conversation.
So how are you today?
I am good today. I had a busy morning, but now I feel relaxed.
Oh, really? What happened in the morning?
I had many small problems. My alarm did not ring, so I woke up late.
Oh no, that happens to many people.
Yes, I was running around my room. I was trying to get ready quickly.
What did you say when you saw the time?
I said, "Oh no, I am late!"
Great sentence. This is a very common English sentence.
Yes, we use it in real life.
Let's talk about small problems people face every day.
Okay,
For example, someone loses their phone. What can they say?
they can say, "I cannot find my phone."
Good. Another sentence?
Can you help me find it?
Very useful.
These simple sentences can help beginners speak English in real situations.
What about problems at work or school?
Many people have problems there too.
Can you give an example?
Maybe a student does not understand a lesson.
Yes, that is common.
The student can say, "I do not understand this. Can you explain it again?"
That is a polite way to ask for help.
Exactly.
Let's learn another real-life situation.
Okay,
Imagine you are in a shop and you cannot find something.
you can ask, "Excuse me, where can I find this item?"
Nice.
Or you can say, "Can you help me, please?"
These phrases are simple but powerful.
I think many beginners are afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, that is a big problem.
They think, "My English is not perfect, so I should not speak."
But what should they do?
They should speak slowly and keep practicing.
Exactly. Communication is more important than perfection.
Yes, mistakes help us learn.
Let's learn some useful words today.
Great idea.
First word, problem.
Problem means something difficult that we need to solve.
Example?
I have a problem with my computer.
Good.
Another word is solution.
Meaning?
Solution means an answer to a problem.
Example sentence?
We need to find a solution.
Now let's talk about emotional problems.
Okay.
Sometimes people feel sad or stressed.
Yes, in that situation, talking to someone can help.
What can we say?
We can say, "I am feeling stressed today.
Or,
Can I talk to you?"
very natural sentence.
You know, sometimes the smallest problems feel very big.
That is true.
But when we talk about them, they become easier.
Communication really helps.
Yes.
Dear listeners, we have a question for you.
Think about this.
What is one problem you faced recently?
Try to describe it in English.
You can write your answer in the comments. Let's practice some sentences together. Great.
Great.
I need some help.
Can you help me, please?
I have a small problem.
I am trying to solve it.
These sentences are useful every day.
I think learning English becomes easier when we learn from real life.
I agree.
We do not need difficult words all the time.
Simple English can also be powerful.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's remember today's lesson.
We learned how to talk about problems.
We learned how to ask for help.
And we learned that mistakes are okay.
Keep practicing English every day.
Small steps create big improvements.
Thank you everyone for listening to Bold Words Daily. If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.